Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, remote trunk release, FWD, steel wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.